Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. To school. Option D is the correct answer. Question 2. He laughing loudly. Option D is the correct answer. Question 3. She taken her medicine. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. We the wall. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. They the answer? Option D is the correct answer. Question 6. He the paper with scissors. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. I my lost keys. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. We at a hotel. Option D is the correct answer. Question 9. She late. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. I the kitchen. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. He his mother. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. They at the party. Option C is the correct answer. Question 13. She up the phone. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. We for the test. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. I him the truth. Option C is the correct answer.